Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to be looking at the ZMI battery power pack number 20. I initially first saw this on Indiegogo and I was looking for something on the go if I travel, after the virus thing is out. I can use it to travel with me. So at the time this thing was $99. I don't know after they launch how much is it gonna be, but here it is. It's the ZMI PowerPack number 20, model QB826G. As you can see, the max output is 210, and then to get the 100 max out to like charge your laptop or something, you'd have to have a USB port from USB A to USB C cable. Today we're just going to be doing the unboxing, and probably I'll do a follow-up video after using it. So let's get to it. You grab some scissors. And here we go. That's the packaging. I wonder why. Did it explode or what? There's a dent there, but let's see what's inside. Oh, now I understand why there was like a dent or something. It's cables. So you do get a USB A to USB C cord. And then you also have a USB-C cable. Good. Got a little booklet. I never read those, but for the sake of it, it just shows you, basic manual for new stuff. Let's put that away. And again, it's also packaged in a plastic bag. So let's get the plastic bag out the way. Supposedly this is supposed to be the most powerful battery, portable battery out there. Now that's what ZMI claims, but we shall see. We shall see if it's the most powerful. I will use it and see how it is. As you can see, the logo right there, 210 watts, designed by ZMI. I guess that's the power button. I haven't charged it, but I guess it comes charging. It's at 46%. These are the IOs. You get a USB-C. Let me bring it closer. You get focus here. These are the USB IOs. We got the middle USB A and two USB-Cs. So basically you just put in your cables right here or here and put it to your laptop or your phone, and that's it. I'm gonna test it out and see how much or how longer you can charge your laptop or your phone, or how long the battery last. But right now, just from the manufacturer, it's at 46%. So I charge it up to 100 and then test it out, and then maybe I'll make a follow-up video depending on how this video does. All right, again, that's the unboxing for ZMI PowerPack number 20, the most powerful battery in the world. That's their claim, not mine, but hey, we'll see how it does. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't done so, like the video and share, and if you'll be kind enough, subscribe. Let's get this channel to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for watching. See you later. God bless.